human jobs have driven progress for centuries, building industries, economies, and societies. They have provided livelihoods and purpose. But that balance is shifting. What happens if AI replaces human jobs? Billions could lose not just work, but their sense of purpose and belonging. Thriving communities could collapse, neighborhoods abandoned, businesses closed. Without proper safeguards, AI could be used to prioritize profits over people, concentrating wealth among a select few while poverty spreads. With no opportunities to rebuild, discontent grows, leading to civil unrest and authoritarian control. The world could become divided between those who benefit from AI and those it leaves behind to suffer. But AI doesn't have to replace purpose. It can help redefine it. Personalized education and lifelong learning could upskill millions into new careers and meaningful roles. Communities could flourish with shorter workweeks, stronger social bonds, and time for exploration and growth. AI could help reduce poverty and create a future where progress benefits all of humanity. Whether AI helps or harms the way that we work depends on how we adapt. To make sure that you aren't left behind, learn to work with AI, not against it, and stay ahead with continuous learning. Focus on skills AI cannot replace that include creativity, leadership, and human connection. Engage with open source AI initiatives that make AI more accessible and fair for everyone, and avoid supporting monopolies. Push for policies that protect people and speak up against unethical AI use. The future of work isn't just about AI. It's about how we choose to use it.